going to put bite-sized chunks of steak right into the sauce for this pasta dish so that each mouthful gets a bit of steak. Let's cook. Let's start by cutting 4 ounces of sirloin steak into bite-sized pieces. Cut about 4 or 5 ounces of mushrooms the same way. Get the pasta cooking. In this one, I'm using simple spaghetti. I'm going to cook the pasta in the same pan that I will use later to prepare the steak and the sauce. While that's cooking for 10 minutes or so, let's cut up 2 cloves of garlic to fit into a garlic press later. Chop up a large onion into small pieces. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check the pasta for doneness. And take it out of the pan. Some oil into the pan. Add the chopped onion. I've got a new garlic press with bigger holes so it's easier to clean. The garlic press will make the garlic nice and fine, and you're not biting into chunks of garlic. Stir that and saute for a minute. Add a tablespoon of paprika. And add the mushrooms. They're starting to brown nicely. Now, make room in the pan for the steak. bit more oil. And add the meat in a single layer so it browns nicely. Make sure all sides are brown. Tablespoons of Worcester sauce, a half cup of beef broth, half cup of cream, and mix in a half tablespoon of flour for thickener. Add the cream to the pan. And stir. Let's add half a tablespoon of salt, more or less according to your taste. Now, add a cup of shredded cheese. This is Tex-Mex for added flavor. Stir that over low heat for a minute. Bring back the pasta. Let's taste it. It's good. Serve. Garnish with a nice green basil leaf. And enjoy. That was wonderful flavor in every bite.